robot town lived a bot all small and round. His name was Rex. Beep beep tick, a tiny bot who loved to fix. Fix it here, fix it there. Broken toys were everywhere. Rex would smile and quickly say, "Let me help and save the day." One bright day he found a clock. Tick tick tick, then tock tock tock. Rex turned gears and tried a trick, but the clock went click, no tick. "Oh dear me," said little Rex, "this repair is quite complex." Lights turned blue upon his head. "Maybe I should stop," he said. Then came Bella, kind and bright, with glowing eyes and friendly light. "Don't give up, just try again. Great things start with little wins." Try again, fix again. Turn the gears and tighten them. Wipe the dust and check the clock. Soon it goes tick tick tock. Tick tick tock, the clock went round. Happy ticking filled the town. Rex jumped high with joyful cheer. "Look, it works, come gather near." Fix it once, fix it twice. Trying again is always nice. Rex now knows what he must do. Try